What's happening, everybody? Welcome back. Glad to see you. Sorry I have been absent the past week or two. If you've been missing me, I do apologize. But I got a new guy at work. I've been training him, and most of my attention has really gone into that and not so much making videos. But I do have a couple clips of service calls that I've ran with him, and so we're going to try to slap something together for you. Stay tuned, and I'll get back with you. Look at this old girl, man. Compressor's going, no fan. Cap is good. This fan that somebody has replaced is running right there to the contactor. Our compressor was running, so we know it's getting power. Cap is good. We need a new fan motor. Tenant said he heard a boom last night. It looks like we're missing a fan blade. It smacked the side of the coil and ended up inside of this other blade here. So that's really cool. It's crazy over here, man. I couldn't get video of us changing this cap because somebody come over here asking for a ride to the store. Come on, man, just give me a ride to the store. Just give me a ride to the store. Come on, man. She's on and running. This is what you get when you have a plumber who also does HVAC. A unit that's too big for the pad or the podium it's on, and they run your whip inside of some PEX. Got us another no cool call we're about to go check out. It has been one heck of a morning so far, so let's go see what we can find over here. No room to work, and one of the loudest contactors I've ever heard, but we're not passing any power. There's all types of trash in there. We're gonna grab some contact cleaner. All right, got the contactor cleaned out. Now when we press it in, we've got continuity. So we're gonna check this cap, and then we should be good to test it. We got it cleaned out, we got it working. The contactor's still very noisy though. It's right outside their bedroom. I'm getting them a quote on what it'll be to replace it, and we'll see if they want us to leave it alone or if they want me to go ahead and swap it out for something that's gonna be a little bit quieter. Old one, new one, just waiting for the time delay. Here at our next one, full warranty, indoor units running, but nothing outside. Contactor is pulled in, and we ain't got no voltage. Open up the breaker box, and it's off. Good there. Get us wired back up. Let me know when you're good, and I'll hit the power. All right, power coming on. On and running, huh? She don't know why the breaker was been turned off. I don't know, maybe she made somebody mad or somebody playing a prank on her, but we're gonna put us a little zip tie up there. It's not as good as a lock, but hopefully somebody had to have something to cut it to mess with it again. All right, got a new customer here checking out this Train package unit. It's supposed to be in cooling mode. It says it won't cool, but we got some cool air blowing out of here. Obviously in heating mode. We checked down here at the reverser valve, and we're missing a spade. There she is right there. She burnt off. I'm surprised it didn't blow a fuse. Just made a call for cooling. Indoor units run, outdoor unit not coming on. Contactor's not pulled in. We do have this power box over here. There's no lights on it. So let's see what happens when we bypass this sucker. Got us a freezing coil here. We popped the top to find this fur and dust blanket on it. So look, that's the only clean spot we got, man. We're gonna get this thing cleaned up and see if that will rectify it. Not perfect, but definitely better.
Uh.